Well, I guess this is the last night. What do you reckon, Plushie? I should approach him and become friends, or... No, probably shouldn't.
I'd do it, he seems like a really nice bloke.
Oh, what do you know? You're a little piece of merchandise that went rogue and killed a bunch of people. Yeah, great way to ruin our rep, mate.
Shut up.
Woohoo! Last night I have to put up with your shit, Sam. Man, this calls for a celebration. I'm going to give you a fresh batch of insults that I have totally not pulled from the internet. You are a stupid douche canoe. Yeah, that's not very good, is it? Honestly, why don't you just drop dead, you f***ing dick-nosed bitch Nazi? Yeah, nice. Honestly. You are a pompous prick jockey. Yeah, I don't think any of these are actually going to top the original ones. F***ing hell! Have I lost my goddamn spunk? Oh wait, no! It's in a jar, which you have crammed up your ass because you are so f***ing obsessed with me, it is beyond creepy. You just sit there and touch me whenever I come and see you. You just want any reason to be near me, you f***ing weird. Oh, hello, I can see the fucking fanfics. 39X Sam. F***ing hell, nice job, dickhead. Look at what you've begun. You know what? It doesn't even matter, because I'm so f***ing excited that you're leaving at 6 AM, because this censor was likely to be lifted because it's the end of the game. And, well, yeah. Fuck yeah, boy! Rah! A blooky wooky woo, motherfucker. Oh shit! What the hell?
I'm coming to get ya!
Oh, look at me. I'm Foxy. You've the fox. You sick fox.
God, you son of a bitch!
What the hell? Oh, look at me. I'm Foxy. You've the fox. You sick fox.
God, you son of a bitch! God, you son of a bitch!
Mate, you cannot resist me. Just look at this pose. Oh, look at me. I'm Foxy. You've the fox. You sick fox. Oh shit! Scared ya.
I'm coming to get ya!
Look at me. I'm Foxy. You've the fox. Sick fox.
God, you son of a bitch!
get ya. A boogie woogie woo, motherfucker.
I'm coming to get ya!
And now the torture comes to an end. I get to take my sensor off and go on with my life, and you get to fuck off and go on with your life. So, it's been fun, mate, but this is where we go our separate ways, you know. No extra content, no sequels, no bullshit like that. And if you do happen to come back, I'm gonna be pissed.